father's condition is unstable, and as such, he is not able to leave the institution.
What she said? What she said? What she said? Tell me what she said now.
I'm sorry that you have to be seeing this, but this kind of thing happens every day.
I can't believe this.
Tiffany, just know that I'm doing all that I can to help him, the same way I helped you.
Okay, Doc.
Tell me what she said now. Tell me what she said now, mouse. Me hear me.
Daddy.
No, we don't want no more. We don't want no more. Please, Jesus. No.
Daddy,
No.
Daddy, please, just stop the fight. Don't fight it, please.
No. No.
Minister, please.
No.
This will help to calm you.
No.
Alright?
No, we don't want no more. No. Oh.
It's done.
Listen to my heart, it's always starting a fire. Can't put it out now. Can't put it out now, yeah. Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday vibe. Oh, you hit your what it feels like now.
Babes. You smoke on my legs, actually. Tiffany?
Karim, I need to talk to somebody. Can I come see you?
Alright. Forward.
Can't put it out now, yeah. Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday vibe. Oh, you hit your
Now what's that? She never tell me what she say. It urgent and trying that thing. So more of this what is the case.
So, on the day when me and you for spend time together, you call Tiffany for come here?
I know me call her, she call me, and she sound like she never issue.
So, yeah, what? A psychiatrist? Go on, babe. Oh.
Babe, just...
Go on.
Five minutes. Tiffany, what going? You alright?